नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका हमारे चैनल मैडो वी स्मार्ट में। यहाँ हम आपके लिए लेके आते हैं बहुत अच्छे नए काम जो कि आप घर बैठे कर सकते हैं। सबसे पहले आप हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए प्लीज़, जिससे कि और भी लोगों को घर बैठे काम करने का मौका मिल सके। हम आपके लिए टेलीकॉलिंग प्रोजेक्ट, डाटा एंट्री प्रोजेक्ट और फील्ड वर्क जैसे कई प्रोजेक्ट लेके आते हैं, जिससे कि आप घर बैठे काम कर सकते हैं। प्लीज़ सबसे पहले तो आप लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हो तो प्लीज़ हमें सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और लाइक कीजिए। अभी जो हम लेके आए हैं वो है डाटा एंट्री प्रोजेक्ट। ठीक है, तो आप वीडियो देखिए पहले पूरा।
Hello, hi all. My name is Mohammad Azhar Sen. I am taking care of this project, which is YouTube Shorts project. Okay, so I'll just share my screen. Just confirm me when you can able to see my screen. Okay.
Yes, sir. You are visible. Your screen is visible to me.
Yeah. So before we proceed, I will just explain you about the guidelines, what we have to follow with this project. Okay. There are three guidelines which are available. First guidelines is how to download the video and what are the downloading criteria. Second work is how to update the downloaded videos information into the Excel sheet. Okay, that is the second criteria. And the third one is how to upload the videos. Okay, this is the third criteria. Only these three things what we have. We don't have any other guidelines for this project. Okay, these three criteria: downloading, updating, and uploading. Okay, so how to download the videos and what is the quality of the videos with respect to downloading video guidelines. I am sharing my screen. Just I will go through it and then I will show you a demo what and all need to be considered and what and all need not to be considered. Then we can proceed further. Okay, so first guideline is we have to download only HD quality videos. Okay, few cases which I have seen is the team will just try to do the shortcuts. They will not download the HD quality video, they will just download the 430p or 320p kind of quality. So if in audit happens, if that cases have come out, then the videos will be rejected. So we ensure that whatever the video content what we are downloading, it should be the quality of 1080p and 720p quality. It should not be less than that. Okay, that is the one thing what I am trying to say. Okay, the second thing is don't take any video which contains any logo. Okay, any logo, it might be the competitor logos, it might be any other logo, it might be channel name on the videos. Okay, there might be videos with the channel name, channel logos, and watermarks, any watermarks, Insta ID watermarks, or any other
Sir, for
watermarks.
what company we have to work, sir?
Hello?
Hello, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. For which company or which app we have to work, sir?
You need not to worry about that. Okay, we are working for the client who requires the
Okay.
video. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so it should be a clean video. Okay, so the clean video, that's what I'm trying. Second guidance what it says is it should be a complete full screen video with logo, without logos, any logos. Okay, there should not be anything on that. It should be a very clean video. There should not be any channel name mentioned on that video. Watermark should not be there. And subscribe marks, if you see at the right side there is a video with the subscribe mark, like button. So those kind of videos should be avoided. Okay, if that comes to the notice, then it will be rejected. The videos will be, your hard work should not go in vain. So follow the guidelines very strictly. Okay, and also note that YouTube is also our complete logo. What happens is the YouTube Shorts logo which has come newly. Okay, with the yes mark. So that logo will also be there in few videos at the top corner. Okay, top corner of the 9:16 ratio video. So ensure that those logos are not coming. Okay, not coming in the sense we should not take the videos itself. We'll get the videos, only clean videos we'll get in the shorts. But if you are getting such kind of rejected videos, you should avoid it. Okay, and the third guideline is don't take any video which contains competitor promotional note. Okay, for example, download Mojo, download Zilly, download Roposo. So there will be some competitive this one, right, captions or promotions on the videos. So if those videos are if you see something like that, you should avoid that, those kind of videos also. And the fourth thing is take only vertical videos of canvas size 9:16 ratio format. Okay, this is very critical point. Okay, why? Because we have to take the full screen video. The 9:16 ratio is nothing but the phone screen size. Okay, if you are playing in your phone, you should play in full screen. So that is the meaning of 9:16 ratio. So when I am giving the live demo, you will come to know what is the meaning of 9:16 ratio, and you can able to see the right side examples also here. Okay, this is 9:16 perfect ratio, and this is 9:16, but with the rejected content of subscribe. Okay, so those kind of the meaning of 9:16 ratio is it should be a vertical video. Okay, it should be a vertical video. That's it. It should not be landscape video. It should not be tablet size videos. Canvas, square canvas video. Where vertical is 9:16. That's it. That should be in our mind. And the fifth guideline is ignore the videos which contain black and white patches at the upper side, lower side, right corner, left corner. In easy words, video should play in full screen. Okay. If you see in the example here, there is a black and the bottom there is a black patches. Okay, the video will play only in the mid. So in that cases, if you see here in the bottom here, there is a yellow patches. Okay, any color which is coming as a patch at the top and the bottom, you avoid those kind of videos. Only it should play in the full screen. If it's playing in the mid, okay, then we should not take this video. If it is playing with the blur vision, if you see this video, if the same video is playing with the blur vision at the top and the bottom, with the same content as a blur at the top and the bottom, and the video is playing at the mid of the screen, then you can take those kind of videos. There is no restrictions in that. If there is a blur content in the top and the bottom of the same video, if there is only patches we have, then we should avoid those kind of videos and we should reject that videos. Okay, and the sixth guideline is take only YouTube short videos. Okay, maximum duration will be 1 minute and minimum will be 8 seconds. You should keep in your mind. Many mistakes which has been submitted during the last batch was this kind of mistakes what I have seen. Okay, blindly we should not download the videos. Few videos were of 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So team is not focusing. We should focus in such a way that three things for what we all these guidelines, once we go through it, we will keep in mind and then we have to start working it. Okay, Rajan, as it is your first time you are doing, I will give you a sample work also to avoid
Okay,
any
sir.
kind of mistakes. Okay, I can't give you direct because I thought you had undergone the training, but as you are undergoing the training first time, you do and give it to me the sample work by today end of the day after this session. Okay, by tomorrow you can start the actual work so that you
Definitely,
will
sir.
have a experience of understanding. Okay, and if there is any mistakes, I can able to correct it before we proceed further. Okay, so the length of the videos, as I am telling, it should not be more than 1 minute and it should not be less than 8 seconds. You keep this in mind. Take each and every YouTube Shorts video from assigned profile and our channels only. Okay, so whatever the channels we are assigning database, if you see here, this is a database sheet which will be given to you. So this is the channels which will be assigned to you. Whatever the channels, whatever I am assigning to you, you should work on only these channels. You should not create your own channels. Own this one. Okay, because there is a code which is mentioned in the channel code. So this code is very important, which is the client codes. If you are missing these codes, if you are adding your own channels, then there is no value in working for the there is no value for the work whatever you are doing. Okay, I hope you understood. And the eighth point is take entertaining or useful content only. Don't take boring or useless or meaningless contents. If there is a video which the meaningless content, just nothing but the scribbling video, nothing, it doesn't have any content basically. So those kind of videos, you can able to identify those kind of videos, right? So you can avoid those kind of videos. Okay, and to just as a guideline, take a good videos having something in it. Okay, there is a categories which is mentioned, you can select the categories also, but don't take any useless content. Okay, that is one of the guideline which has been mentioned. Okay, so this comes to the downloading part of the video. This guidelines, eight points whatever I have told you, ensure that you are following it very carefully. Okay, and coming to the guidelines for Google Sheet work. Okay, whatever the videos you are downloading, right, that has to be entered into the sheet parallelly. Okay, it has all these activities should be parallel work. There should not be any someone is doing some work, some other person is doing some other work. There should not be any kind of miscommunications. Okay, so whatever you are doing, you should do it parallelly. Okay, so video link should not be repeated. Okay, and in the sense, for example, if you are taking this video or downloaded video content, so you have to update the worksheets. So worksheet, how we need to update, I will train you on it once this guidelines part is completed. So in the sheet work, the guidelines is the link should not be repeated. What happens is few people will copy the link, but while pasting it, the earlier link whatever it has copied, they will paste it by mistake. It happens by mistake only. Okay, but we should be very careful while doing such things. Ensure that you are copying properly, and at the last of the completion of the work, you cross check. How to cross check? there is a guidelines for that also. There is a verification sheet which I have prepared for this session. Okay, what and all the things what we need to be what need to be verified. I will explain you about this checklist also, so that while submitting your project there will not be any mistakes and clients accepts it happily without any rework. Okay, and the second point is video title should not be repeated. Even if the links, okay, links will be unique links, it should not repeat, it will not repeat also. Okay, but video titles might repeat in the channels because the person can be giving them same video titles in the video. But if that is the case, what you have to do is you have to just put part 1, part 2, part 3 next to the video name whatever you are doing. Okay, you can put the part 1, part 2, part 3 kind of thing next to the video name if it is repeated. Okay, so that clears that point. And the third guideline is video link, video name code and downloaded video name should match without any deviation. For example, this code, whatever we have given the code, okay, BS255, in this if you are downloading the first video, it will be of 255-1, right? So like that you will be downloading hundreds of videos in the respective channel, 255-1, 255-2, 255-3. So this will be saved in the video, whatever you are downloading will be saved in this name itself. Okay, it will not be with this name, the title name, it will not be there, it will be there in the this name. If I am opening in the drive, if I go to the drive and if I open BS255-1 and if I parallelly open this link also, it should match. Okay, you cannot deviate from the process. Okay, because the excel sheet purpose is to identify this code video with the link. Okay, that is the intention. You should ensure that. Okay, and the fourth is if there is no language in the video and only background music is available, there is a sheet which says the language category. This sheet says everything. Okay, in that cases when you are coming to the filling of language, if there is only music content which is being played in the video, at that time you can put the language as no language. Okay, if there is some English caption, Kannada caption, Marathi caption, Tamil caption which is coming there, then you can put the language of caption. Okay, for example, if the caption is Hindi, you can put Hindi language. And if there are multiple languages, English, Hindi, Kannada, so you prefer for your regional language. Okay, whatever the regional language you are staying, you can prefer the regional language, you need not worry about that. And coming to the fifth point, if the language is foreign and not known for you, you can select the option of the language as unknown language. Okay, for example, Spanish videos might come, Chinese videos might come. But you, if even if you are knowing those foreign languages, these things better you put unknown, because we doesn't know how the fluency will be there in that. Okay, better to put unknown if the foreign languages are coming. Coming to the guidelines for uploading the videos, this is very critical point. Okay, whatever the work what we have done, it should be updated in the FileZilla server. It is called as FTP server of the client. Okay, which has to be updated there. So before uploading the videos, it's not only these two guidelines what we have. Okay, ensure the number of videos. So whatever the video count which you have in the excel sheet, if it is 100 count, there should be perfectly 100, it has to be uploaded there, there should not be any deviation. And the numbering also, when you are entering the numbering BS255-1, those number also should match. There should not be in the video when you are uploading, if you upload it by saying BS255 space hyphen space 1, if you are adding in the giving the name of video name, and in the excel sheet you are not giving the space and just entering it, then those kind of videos will be rejected. Okay, it might rejected and it might come for rework again. You have to change. If you have done 1,000 videos it like that, you have to change 1,000 videos name, rename hyphen, you remove the space. So ensure that when doing the job first time you are doing perfectly, there should not be any space here. Okay, BS255-1, that's it. Even the video name should be BS255-1, there should not be any space in between. And don't put -01 -02, even that also you don't put. Standard, keep one standard, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so you should ensure that. Okay, that is the checkpoint what I will explain you at the later stage. And second point is ensure there is no repetition of videos while uploading the FileZilla. Okay, that is one cross verification you have to do, that I will explain you how to do the cross verification. And before we proceed further, there should be the software which has to be downloaded into your system. One is FileZilla software, which I will be sharing with the link while uploading the videos. And the second one is VLC media player. Most of the systems will be having it, but better to download VLC media player to verification part. Okay, for verification part it will be very helpful for us. And there was a software by name FDM, which currently we have stopped it because it's blocked the YouTube content. so we are not able to do the YouTube content. So the link I will be sharing you, yt1s.com, so where we will download our YouTube videos, okay, by pasting the links. And parallelly I am working on the application which can be useful for our project. So once I get those details, we can download those application also. That's not, but currently we can use this link to download the videos. Okay, coming to the main part, guidelines. If there is any questions in the guidelines team, anyone has the questions in the guidelines?
Azhar, I just want to ask, what about categories?
Yeah, that I will come here. That into the main sheet work, when I come, I will explain, Sahil.
Okay, and if you're talking about YouTube downloader, so we should have to download 1080
Yeah, 1080
so
megapixel and or 720p, whatever the highest quality which is available there, you can download that. This is the two category. There should not be less than the less than this. Okay, it should not be any less than this quality.
so the YouTube downloader they provide.
Yeah, that's what I told you here. The link I will be sharing you, you can download the videos from here. This from this link.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
sure.
Okay, coming to the main part, database. Okay, there are these sheets I will be sharing you across. So already I've shared these sheets to you. For example, database worksheet, and the examples. For example, the rejected channels. Why I have given this Excel sheet? You can go through this Excel sheet if you have any doubt. What is landscape video? What is logo videos? What is logo plus landscape video? What is top bottom black bands? Okay, just for this example. Okay, this for I have to F5 bar, this only for your reference. Okay, and the guidelines already what I have explained you, that we will be sharing, and the project verification checklist, which is while uploading the project what we have to verify it. Okay, these sheets will be shared to you. Okay, coming to the database part. Okay, in database, few channels whatever I have shared, whatever I am sharing with the channel, what you have to do, you have to, if you see here, there is a columns by name, channel link, category, channel code, and these categories I will not be giving, because what happens is this is the stagnant it might be very dynamic in the channel, it's not specific kind of thing. Okay, so this code this I will not give you. You can judge, and you can put the channel. Already have given the drop downs here. Based on the category, you can put any of these categories. Okay, you need not to worry about it. Okay, so coming to the sheet again. So the channel name will be given to you, channel link will be given to you, channel code will be given to you. Okay, so these three things will be given to you. When how to start the activity, we'll click on the link. Okay, okay, this is the channel. सिमो, रति बात हल्लो करो जे. सिमो, लाउड स्पीकर रति ऑफ कर रति बात हल्लो करो. ट्रेनिंग दे रहे क्या बा, रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा नहीं, बाजू खाली तुम्हारे बात रहती है रिकॉर्डिंग में. नहीं तो क्या वैसा बकते हैं, लाउड स्पीकर डाल रखते हैं. सॉरी, देयर वाज अ कॉल, सॉरी. Okay, so you will get the once you open the channels, there will be different categories of the videos here. Hope you are able to see my screen and my voice. Okay, so there will be different categories, kind of thing, or different rows in the channels of shorts, uploads, videos, playlists, whatever it is. But we have to go only to the shorts. Okay, shorts is our main this one work. Okay, so what we will do, we will play all. Okay, that is our procedure if we are doing completely alone, uploading of the videos, downloading of the videos, and updating the Excel sheets. Okay, and I will tell you at the end of the one more kind of idea also, which you can follow if you have multiple teams. That's not an issue. Okay, so if you see this video, when you are playing this video, do you see any useful content here? No, right? So directly reject this video. Okay, you need not to worry about this one. So just directly reject and go to the next video. Okay, so again this is also this, it is also the same. Okay, so there is no useful content. And if you see here, it is not in the 9:16 ratio. Okay, before this channel I don't know why it is not opening, whether it is blocked or what. Just give me a minute. Before I go to that channel, I will explain about the 9:16 ratio. It has opened now. Okay, this is the perfect 9:16 ratio video. Okay, which we have to consider. Okay, once you start working on it, you will come to know what is 9:16 ratio. So if you see here, it is kind of a phone size video. Okay, so vertical video completely, which we have to select. Okay, so what we will do parallelly, we'll update the details of this videos. Okay, already had filled this Excel sheet. I will do it for you again. You see here Bollywood Dunia, the name and link already is available here. Okay, and coming to the worksheet part, the third column is related to premium content or not. Okay, any premium content, if you feel it is very good video, it has very rich background, rich in the sense very worthful video kind of thing, you can put premium as yes. If you don't feel, you can put no, you need not worry much about it. And the channel type. Okay, what is the meaning of channel type? There are two things here, specific and mixed. If what is the meaning of mixed is if the channel contains multiple categories, videos, dance, music, news, whatever it is, then it comes into the mixed category. And if it comes to the specific category, it will be only one category. Okay, it will be dance means dance. Okay, all the videos will be related to dance, all the videos will be related to news, all the videos related to music. Those kind of things we can put it as specific category. Okay, with respect to this video, the video was related to Punjabi song. Okay, it was a Punjabi song, so it has been filled as Punjabi. And how to copy the links? You just control C the link, control C the video name. Okay, and there is a column by name. If you see here, video link, video title, hashtag. Okay, hashtag, if you see there is a hashtag available, you can take. If not available, you can because it's not available, you can leave it. Okay, so control C, control C, at a time you have to do control C, control C. Then next is this control C. Okay, why? I will tell you why it is. So when you are pasting, you put Windows V, not control V. Okay, if you put control V, the previous whatever you have copied, it will come. If you put Windows V, it will the clipboard will open. Whatever you have copied will come here. So just click on the link. Okay, whatever you have copied, first you have copied the link, so just click, the link will come. Then next you copied the name of the video, it will come this icon. And hashtag, if there is no hashtag, you put just hashtag shorts, as we are working on short video. Editing, we are not doing any editing work here. The meaning of editing is, before we used to do the logo removal activities, so which is very hectic job, so we have to use a software by name Camtasia or whatever the other software. So better we are not doing any video editing work, just we'll put no. And the first video what we have taken is BS255-1. Okay, BS255 is the channel code, and it is a channel first video, so -1 what we have taken. Okay, so the first activity is completed. Now we'll go to the next video, directly next. Okay,
Azhar,
yeah,
sorry to interrupt. How we can open the clipboard?
Windows V.
Windows V. Okay.
Yeah, Windows, next to the Alt button there is a Windows button is there, right? So just click on
Sir,
the
if not it is,
huh?
sorry for interruption.
Yeah,
Last time when you have trained me, on the time I have trained on the same option by the clicking of control
Okay.
2 times, but it's what not working for my system.
it will happen, Rajan. You have to activate the clipboard first time. If you are doing, it will ask
Yes,
for the
yes,
activation. Once you activate it, it will repeatedly come. Okay,
Okay, how to activate, sir?
it will, once you press Windows V, as you do as control V you used to do, right? Control and V immediately will press. Same way you do Windows V, it will ask for a Windows
Okay.
clipboard activation. You just click OK, then going forward it will get activated.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. If
Okay.
I have any, I will ask.
Yeah, you can ask,
later.
you can ask.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so next video what we have come here. So if you see the guidelines, so guidelines what we have to follow, once we open, the guidelines should be in our mind. Okay, it should be on our fingertips. Okay, 9:16 ratio, full screen video. Okay, there is no logos here, there is no caption here, there is no watermark here. Okay, it is a very clean video. This emojis can be there, that's not an issue. Emojis we have here, it can be there. But again, the seconds, coming to the second parts, if you see a 6 seconds video, okay, better to avoid those kind of videos. What I have kept the standard is better to take 8 seconds video, 8 seconds and more. Any kind of issues, it will be avoided with that guidelines. Okay, so next video we'll reject directly this video because of this criteria. And again, this third category video, what is the mistakes, anyone can say? Roshan, Rajan?
9:60. Top and bottom bar like black color.
Yeah, so the guidelines, first guidelines what we have seen is it's not matching to our guidelines, that there is a patch marks here. Okay, so we'll directly avoid it. So what about this video? Okay, it's
Seconds.
But not a video, sir. No.
seconds is also okay, perfect. 9 seconds video, not an issue. 9:16 ratio video, perfect, not an issue. We'll select this. So it's, the video is selected. Control C, Control C. Okay, we'll go to the next this one, and we'll add it as Controls Windows V, Windows V. Okay, Windows V. Better I will remove everything so that it will avoid your confusions. So as we have taken the name, that will be the we'll copy the top one itself. The video name and channel name will, channel link will remain the same. It is not a premium content. As we have seen the channel 2-3 videos, whatever we have seen, it's not a specific content, it is changing. And the category, if you see here, it is just a bike what it is shown, so you can put it as automobile. And again, there is no language here because it's a music video, and there is no captions also written, so just to put no language. We have copied the link Windows V, we have copied the name Windows V bullet lover, and hashtag, as the hashtag was not available, hashtag shorts no, and we'll drag it to, you can drag it to second video. Okay, 955-2. Okay, next. And parallelly you have
Sir,
to,
sir, can we take animated videos, sir? Animation videos ले सकते हैं?
yeah, you can take it. That's what, whatever you take, there should be some content, useful content. Animation also there will be useful content, right, Roshan? Okay,
Okay,
you can take. And parallelly, when you're taking the link, right, team, you can download this. Before we used to have FDM, which was a bit easier, but FDM has blocked the YouTube content, so we are unable to download it. So this link I will be sharing you to download. Parallelly you download it, because or else you will miss it. Or else what you have to do is, once after completing all the Excel sheet work, you can copy the link from here, Control C, and you can download it with the naming. That also can be done. That is one option what I am trying to say you. Okay, it is also an easy option. If you like it, you can do it. If you are okay, if you want to do parallelly also, you can do it. Because whatever the links you are selecting is the perfect links, you are 100% assured that it is perfect links. So you can complete all the task of Excel sheet, then you can Control C, you can go to the link videos and you can download it. Okay, like this also you can do, or parallelly also you can do. If you see here, it will ask for a get link option, but there will be some ads here, you don't worry. You go to the, again you just close it, and if once you click on get link, you will be getting the link here. Then download option, download. Okay, it will get downloaded here. Okay, I hope you understood. So it gets downloaded here. The quality also it will show, but I don't know why it's not showing. But quality it will show. In the previous step itself I done really fast, I think. So quality also it will show. You select the quality as per the guidelines, and you can download the videos. And later on you can rename this file. Okay, you can go to the folder. Parallelly you have to rename again. If you miss renaming, then that is a problem. Or you will have an option, as you have the name of the videos already with you, Tismar Khan, it will be downloaded in the same name. Then later also you can rename the videos with 2025-1 kind of thing also. Okay, but ensure nothing is getting mixed. I told you right at the guideline stage, this number, this video should match. That is the main intention. Okay, so if you go to the downloads, whatever I have downloaded now, I will just rename it as okay, we can rename it as VS 250, small letter. If it is small, then you would consider small letter, VS 255-1. Okay, there should not be any space kind of thing. Okay, but ensure this code is perfect. Okay, like this we have to do the sheet work and downloading of the videos. And coming to the again next, if we go to the next video, again same way, same procedure we need to follow.
ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਮਰ ਹੈ ਨਾ 21 22 23 24 ਸਾਲ
So this is kind of stunt video. Okay, there is option of stunt which need to select it. Again the same links has to be copied and it has to be pasted parallelly. It has to be downloaded in the YouTube links. Okay, if you click again it will open. Okay, paste, get the link. If you see here, don't click M4, you can see the, if you see before getting the link you have an option here, quality of the video. Okay, select the best quality, get link. Okay, get link, if you click there will be some ad, better to, because it's a online tool, better to click to twice. And you can able to see seconds also here, then download it. Okay, so it's get downloaded parallelly. I hope this gets cleared. Next, coming Excel sheet part, do you have any doubt, team? So the things whatever I've filled the categories, language, video link, video title, hashtag, and the video code name. Okay, so again coming to the rejections categories videos, I will just give few examples so that it will be helpful for you to avoid any kind of mistakes. Okay, so if you see this, what is a mistake here? There is a logo of TikTok. Okay, again there is a patches here. So caption, okay, caption is the, okay, caption was on the video. If the video was completely full, then caption also is accepted, but the criteria is not matching because of patches and the logo. We should avoid this kind of video. And again same here, TikTok video. Okay, the same way we have to avoid this also. Okay, so coming to the next channel, as I told you, so if you see here, it is kind of a tablet size video now. Okay, so this video has to be avoided, and also the seconds is not matching for our criteria. It's only 2-second video. Okay, better to avoid this video. And next, again this is also useless content. Okay, scribbling video, and this has some content. This, 1 minute, there is ad. Okay, so this has a content. Okay, this has a content, and also the criteria is getting matched 10-second video, and the ratio is 9:16 ratio, so we can download this video. Okay, so there is no issues. This is also scribbling video, not required, not required. So like this you will come across whatever the examples I am taken, just for an example. Okay, the channels what I have selected for the training session, so that all your doubts get cleared here, and there should not be any further doubts for you while working. Okay, it will not be the same case while you are working. You can get the good channels completely, the videos will be in full screen, the rejection rate will be very less, but you should have the guidelines in your mind to avoid any kind of mistakes. Okay, okay, this content is also fine. So coming to the next example of the channels whatever I have selected as a training session. And as I told you, we have to go only for YouTube Shorts, play all. If you see here, it has a music. The criteria is 1 minute. Okay, that's not an issue. It has a hashtags also here. Okay, that we have to select the hashtag while copying. Control C separately, and hashtag Control C separately. Okay. So when we are pasting, three things what we'll get in the clipboard. First is the video link, video name and hashtag. Okay, three things we can paste it in the sheets. Okay, I will just show you that also, but the channel name we have to change it, as I have changed the channel just for your reference. Windows V, first thing what we have done is link, the second one is the name, third one is hashtag, which is at the first now, and the same, the channel code what I have taken is DY Vashika, so it's 260, right? So it will change, you know, BS 260 -1. Okay, that is the thing what we, and this we have to fill. From here we can fill this DY Vashika. Okay, and it is not a premium content video, so we'll go through the channel. If all the contents are same, then we can put it as specific. As a channel name itself is DIY, you can put DIY and hacks here. Okay, so you'll get an option of DIY and hacks here. Okay, and any video language, as there is no language, you can put no language here. Okay, and going to the next, if you see here, there are multiple rejections because subscribe button is there, and also the watermark of the channel name DIY by Shikha, that is there. So we have to reject this video. And the next,
ಈ ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾಳಾಯ್ತು ಹೊಸ್ತು ತನ್ನಿ ಅರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ
even this is the rejected video, even it is ad. I'm just trying to explain. This is the full screen landscape video. So our requirement is only 9:16. So this video is also rejected. Okay.
ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ
ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಸೊಳ್ಳೆ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ನಡೆಯೋಲ್ಲ ಕೇವಲ ಹಿಟ್ ಆಂಟಿ ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋ ರಾಕೆಟ್.
Okay, again here DIY by Shika, the watermark is there, so we should avoid this video. Okay, so we should be very very careful while seeing the videos. So that's the intention what I am trying to say. And coming to the one more channel I will show. This channel is blocked. Okay, we'll consider very short videos play all. You have to do play all in any case, because you can able to see the number of short videos here itself. Okay, don't directly play the videos, because my mixed videos will be played or else. Okay, if you play all the short videos, you can able to see here. See, all the short videos can be able to see here in the right side of the playlist. So even if you play next, only short videos will get played. If you play other things, or if you have to search seconds, those things will come. If you play in the shorts categories, all the shorts videos get selected. Okay, so in this video the issue is Akshay Photo, and for videography is the name of the channel which is reflecting here. Okay, that kind of videos has to be avoided. In few cases what comes is the Insta IDs will come at the rate of this, at the rate of that, or Insta logo, the camera logo, it might come here, or TikTok video can come here, MX Takatech video can come here. Whatever the logos or the channel logo itself, the channel logo, whatever it has been designed, it can come at the top corner. So better to avoid those kind of videos. Okay, so as I told you, the blur content, so that channel is not getting played. Let us see other channel.
वैभव भाई
क्या आप 2021 में ऑलमोस्ट हर एक बंदे को
So these are all rejected videos. Okay,
मैं एक हफ्ते से लंड बड़ा करने के तरीके सीख रहा.
it contains all black and white patches. Sorry, black
एक
patches.
मई मेरे रिजल्ट की डेट जैसे जैसे नजदीक.
So better we will avoid this video. But if there is a same video having the blur content here at the top and bottom, you can consider those kind of videos. Okay, so this session with respect to this downloading and updating of the sheets I have completed. Now coming to the uploading, how to upload the videos. Okay, for example, I will open one folder. Okay, this is one of the batch. Just open one of the batch. Okay, for example, if you are saving the videos in subfolders, okay, for verification, for example, this is the SB batch which we had done the project earlier. So you can, it can be BS, it can be other also, whatever the codes whatever we are giving. Okay, before it was RTS, then we came to SB, then it become BS. Now the new versions whatever I have given is AAS batch. Okay, so you have to ensure the codes are there. So why I told to have the VLC. Okay, now you have downloaded these many videos. If you see here, all this naming convention whatever I have told you. Okay, so SB1-1, SB1-, okay, so you can filter it out. Just go drag it. Okay, sort by, you can sort by but you just by clicking control, by dragging your mouse, you can minimize it first. Okay, you can just minimize in this way. Okay, you will get the name sorting, date sorting, type sorting, size sorting, and length sorting. So we can able to sort the length of the videos while checking it. Okay, if you sort the length, you can able to see Roshan, for you also this is very critical. Okay, most of the videos which got rejected was this is the case. Okay, so if you have the VLC, this is the checklist part what I am trying to explain you. Okay, while uploading I will open the checklist also, so that each and everything I will explain by going through the checklist which has to be filled by the person who is doing the sheet. Okay, if Rajan is the team lead, Sahil is the team lead, or Roshan is the team lead, so you have to, when you are submitting the project to me, you have to verify this project verification checklist. After the completion of project, then only you have to submit to me to avoid
Okay,
any
sir.
kind of rejections. So what this checklist says, checklist point number 1, verification of video count downloaded in laptop folder and Excel sheet count. Okay, for example, in the Excel sheet, okay, I will go directly to the SB batch one, SB1, right? Okay, so this is our client sheet. Okay, just for a reference I have taken it. I will not do this one. So like this, you have to give me the sheets of your project. Okay, the final project sheet will be looking like this. Okay, so it contains how many videos? See at the bottom, it contains 33,000 videos. Okay, this sheet contains 33,396 videos, what I can able to see in this sheet. Okay, so what I have to verify here, for example, if you folder wise already have downloaded the builders. For example, this is BS batch, right? For example, okay, SB batch, SB batch is something somewhere here. It is getting slow, I don't know. Okay, this is SB batch which we had submitted. Okay, in this SB batch, if you see here the folder, what you have to check, point number 1, what I have told in the checklist. Point number 1 in the checklist is verify the video count downloaded in the laptop folder and Excel sheet output. Okay, so this is the Excel sheet output of, for example, Roshan. Okay, so what he will do, he will control F here and he will put SB1 hyphen. Okay, SB1 hyphen. Okay, or else if you just put SB1, what happens is other somewhere the sentence might have SB1, so it will take that count also. Better to put SB1 hyphen, so you can able to see the count here itself directly. It has 889 videos, you can able to see. Okay, it has 889 videos. You have to go to the SB1 here and you have to verify, control all. If you put, you can able to see 935. So there is a mismatch right here. So there is a clear cut mismatch what has happened. So how to clear the, so there might be some mistake while downloading, you have not updated in the Excel sheet or kind of thing. So this mistake should not happen. Okay, you should ensure that this mistake should not happen. You should do perfect job. There should not be any mismatch. Identifying this mistake will be very difficult, and I will show you that procedure also, how to identify the mistake in this training session. Okay, it will be helpful for you. So now there is a mistake of 935 videos, so you mark this that it is not matching. Okay, in the checklist you should mark it is not matching till you get it rectified. You should not tick this line item. Okay, so it's not matching. Okay, second point is verification of video length downloading by filtering the laptop folder. Okay, so in the laptop folder which you are having the SB batch, you have to filter the length of the videos. If you click by filter, you can able to see these videos are rejected videos, right guys? Whatever I told, it is not following the, it's 4 second, 4 second, 4 second, 4 second. So someone has blindly downloaded the videos without following the guidelines. So this videos is not part of our criteria. Why this is final checkpoint? Even if you have done the mistake, you can correct it or you can delete this respective. For example, SB1 541. Okay, SB1 541, you have to go to the respective sheet SB1 541, and it might not be available, as I would have deleted that because it is the client sheet. Verification I would have deleted. So for example, SB1 540, I will take the example. So you have to, if that is the short video, you have to delete it from the Excel sheet and also delete from your folder also before uploading. Okay, so two things you have to do. You have to delete from the Excel sheet also, which is entered here, and also you have to download from the folder. You have to delete from the folder also. Okay, but this reworks will not happen if people are doing perfectly. Okay, if this comes when the people have the understanding problem, there when there is a communication gap. Okay, this session I'm even recording it.
Not following guideline.
Yeah. So in those cases these issues will occur. Okay, So you should be very careful on the guidelines part and also the whatever I'm explaining you. Okay, if that is there, the job is very easy job. Okay, if that is not there, it took why the project got delayed because of this multiple reworks which I had to work for more than 10 to 15 days, even after several guidelines which I have instructed to the team. Roshan is aware of it. Okay, and Sahil also aware because he was also directly calling me why it's getting delayed. So these were the issues which was delaying to the give the work. Okay, I hope you understood. So the third point is verification of duplicate videos. What you can do is how to verify the duplicate videos. If you go to the VLC player, the folder this one, you can extend these videos, right? You can maximize these videos by control and by using your mouse, this one. Okay, so if you see here you can able to identify two things. Okay, but before that you have to sort by length itself. Already I have been sorted by length before we go there. Okay, to the third checklist point, you can even identify other things also. I will explain what is that. Okay, the naming conventions also. Okay, for example, if there is any mistakes in the naming, you will can able to identify here. Okay, or you can also do by just typing sb1 space, you leave it and just put search, it will show 0. Or what happens if it contains if doesn't contain space, then it will not show. If contains space, then it shows. So there should not be any space. As I told you before, and after hyphen there should not be any spaces. Okay, so this one check what we will do. And type of the video. Okay, someone will download the video in audio format. That also cases which I have seen while verification. Okay, so multiple things which has been verified during last batch. So to avoid those, you can even filter by type and also size also. Okay, what happens is sometimes the size will be very less. Even if the 0 KB would have been downloaded, we doesn't know, right? Even if it shows 5 second or 0 KB, it will be there or whatever it is. It might be the corrupted file, so better to recheck those file by playing it. Okay, you can do all these things here, but you cannot do in after uploading of the videos in the filezilla folder. Okay, so you should ensure that. So now I have filtered it by length. Why I have filtered it by length? To check the third point of the checklist, which is duplicate videos. What happens, a person who is doing the project, he will go through, right? He will come to know whether the videos are duplicate or not. But some persons, what they will do, in the person, what he will do, he will upload the videos of same content before he would have uploaded. After again the same content he will upload. Okay, so those kind of videos can be avoided by clicking the length, by sorting the length and extending these videos. If you see, all these videos are 9:16 ratio, but if you see it the bit, there is a box type video. Okay, if you open it, you will come to know whether it is box set. Sometimes it will get zoomed. Okay, but better to cross verify if it's coming in the full screen type of video. Okay, so that the verification is complete. Okay, opening it, let it open. So it is rejected video itself, as it is box type video. So I got the cross confirmation. So this is the second verification point to avoid any kind of mistakes. So if you see here the black patches, so you can able to identify everything, whatever the guidelines what I am trying. The team leads or the person who is doing the work, he can send send us by giving us the by checking all these things. Okay, if you see here this video, 363 is the number and 373 is the number. Okay, why I sorted by length? Any duplicate video will have the same length, right? So we will able to directly identify. So these two videos are same video. So immediately delete one video and remove from here and remove from Excel sheet also. Okay, again this video is box type of video, and again duplicate video 356 and 357. Better to delete it. And also 916. If I play 916, what is the issue? Okay, as I told you, we have to play if it's coming in box. If I am playing, it is showing 9:16 ratio. Okay, it is perfect 9:16 ratio, but it is showing like this. But that's what sometimes it will show. You have to cross verify by opening the file. Okay, so it's 9:16. I need not to delete this video. Even this video is perfect video, so just merged the content. But few videos will come in this way, which is perfect. And also in this you can able to identify the logos also. Okay, if there is a TikTok logo, we can able to see it here. If some verification is happening, that can also be done while verification in this way. Okay, I hope you understood. And coming to the fourth point, verification of video format. I told you that I shown you right how to verify the video format. That is all 3 points we can. This all length, format, and name. This can be done at a time. Duplicate videos we have to extend by zooming in the folder, and we have to do that. And now uploading the FTP only if point number 1 to 5 is checked and accepted. If all this criteria is completed, then only we will go to FTP. So as yesterday there was the issue with the FTP, as you in the training which it got delayed because of this itself. We'll show you what we have to do in FTP. Okay, so there is some issue. What they are suggesting is we have to while using FTP we have to firewall we have to switch off. Okay, Windows firewall we have to turn off. That is the issue which is coming now. That issue might get resolved. It was not happening earlier, but now this issue is coming. So Roshan, for you, whenever you are using FTP, you have to turn off your Windows Defender. Okay, firewall Defender, and you can log in. Then it will log in. Okay, then it will log in. Roshan, what? Roshan? Roshan?
Sir, both, sir, yes, sir.
Roshan, FTP issue, what we have to do is, we have to click on this top left corner, okay? Top left corner, you will get this, okay? What you have to do, you have to click on new site. You have to click on new site, okay? Then you have to enter the host details. Host details for Rajan also. That I will explain again, that's not an issue, but as this is a session and recording session, I am explaining this. So, host name you have to update, okay? Host name is SRM server. SRM server .ddns.net. Okay, those details I will share you. Port you need not to worry, and use explicit over TLF file. This option what we have to tell actually only use plain FTP insecure, and this might be logon type will be normal, and the username you are aware this is SPHM, and password also I will be sharing you, and you are aware. Okay, so then what we will do, we'll click OK, and then the new site will connect it. Okay, you can put any name for this, and then you can connect it. So it will connect. If there is mismatch in the FileZilla, how to get it, how you will check it actually. Okay, that I will show you. Okay, for example, this is the downloaded. For example, this is Sahil Excel sheet which I have downloaded, Google Sheet in the Excel format. Okay, for example, how to download this, you know, right? File, and you have to download in the XLS format. Okay, just for your reference, you have to download. Once it is open, just give me a minute, it's opening. File size is more. Okay, so we have downloaded it, right? So we just enable the content. Okay, so what to do, how to verify. Okay, for example, you go to the respective sheet, okay, your team sheet. So this is the final team sheet what you are having. Okay, the batch name it will be available. So how to cross verify? Okay, whatever it is there or not, it is available as per the standard format. So for example, if Rajkumar file has 1,000 videos and all these 1,000 videos will be available here, right? In the Excel sheet it will be available. In RTS batch in the FTP also it will be available. Okay, this is the remote site what local site what I'm doing. This has to be done in the remote site. As there is a server issue, connection issue, I'm just trying to show you here. So you have to just copy the there is an option which comes here as a clipboard option. Okay, copy clipboard option it will come. So if you see here, I have mentioned in the guidelines column where it is. So in the guidelines option I mentioned. So if you see copy URLs to clipboard, that option will come. You should copy it and you have to paste it in the here in this column. And unwanted necessary, for example, it will be of a link kind of thing. For example, FTP, some address will be there after that bar. For example, it will be something like that, FTP server SPI and hyphen RDS 269 hyphen 1 dot mp4. It will be in this some format. It will be there. Okay. Okay, it will be in this format. How to remove this? Almost all the lines will be having the same thing. Okay, how to remove this? You just need to control F. Okay, whatever the unwanted thing is there, we'll just control C will do it. Control C we will do it. You click on replace, find what, and you replace those all things. So you whatever you are seeing is just the number. Now again dot mp4 it is available right here. Dot mp4. So as I dragged it is coming mp5 mp6 mp7, but I'm just showing the procedure for you. Dot mp4 you click, you write it mp4, and again you replace it all. Okay, the mp4 files will go. So finally what you have to do, you will get a list like this, for example. Okay, you will get a list, a clear list like this. This is the FTP file name and this is the Excel sheet file name. What you have to do, you have to do conditional formatting. Just click here. This is for the team leads before submitting duplicate values. Okay, if you put duplicate values, what happens? Whichever there in the FileZilla, it should reflect in the Excel sheet also. Okay, if it is not there, or if you are facing any count mistake, count mismatch kind of thing, or this is a final verification what we are going to do. If there is any naming convention change, what happens is someone will put dot somewhere here and there. So that will also show error in the final client approval sheet. Okay, so this is the final step. What we'll do, just copy all the videos link, just Control C, Control V here, and just put duplicate formula whatever you have downloaded, and you can able to see. For example, all the videos, 1,000 videos. If we are doing it, 1,000 videos will also get white here. Red here. And if you see any white, you can filter it out here. If you see here, for example, whichever it is not there in the, this is the Excel sheet, and that is, the bottom one is the FTP, right? So you will be able to identify which is not available in the FTP from this list. Okay, for example, if I go and filter it by no fill, then whatever the no fill colors are coming is not there in the FTP. That is the meaning. Okay, so these files are not there in the FTP. Then you have to check the FTP files and re-download, re-upload it or if for because of some reasons you have not deleted from the Excel sheet, then you have to delete at that time. And again you can click something here, FTP kind of thing at the top, and you can put the filter here. Just clear the filter before, and you can put the filter again here for verifying the FTP folders. What is if there is anything white here, okay, which is there in the FTP but not in the Excel sheet. This meaning is it is there in the FTP but not in the Excel sheet. Then the missing white item should be added in the Excel sheet. Okay, so that is the final check what we will be doing. Okay, so now that is the completed. We completed a download Google Sheet. We did control all. We did uploaded this one URL and add conditioning formatting for duplicate values. That's it. So that was the final step. Okay, Rajan. So FTP part I will explain you regarding the uploading again. I can share you the recorded session of the video about the FTP.